Expectations are running high, particularly from the middle class, regarding relief in income tax and economic reforms when Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman will present the Union Budget 2025 on February 1st. This time around, crucial concerns for most sectors may get redressed due to key proposals presented by the pre-budget discussion forums of RSS-affiliated organization and industry representatives. Key proposals from RSS-affiliated organizations: income tax reforms. An advanced proposal to raise the exempted income limit from 8 lakh rupees to 10 lakh rupees to lift the burden from the shoulders of the middle class. Tax exemptions for retired citizens, much needed relief for retired citizens from the tax structure. Labor and employment reforms. Extended the Manrega work days from 100 to 200 days annually to boost rural employment. Doubling the gratuity calculation period from 15 days to 30 days per year, increasing workers' financial security. Advocacy for implementing the 8th Pay Commission and preferring the old pension scheme over newer pension schemes like NPS and UPS. Agricultural support. Direct fertilizer subsidy transfers to farmers' accounts. GST exemption on farming inputs to reduce costs for farmers. Periodic hikes in the PM Kisan Nidhi to enhance financial support for agriculture families. Small and medium enterprises. The faster GST refund proposing an improved cash flow and amnesty program for minor GST filing errors to simplify compliance for businesses, adjustment in GST rates to make operations more viable for SMEs, manufacturing and trade, comprehensive manufacturing strategy to address the trade imbalance with China, including tariffs and trade measures to boost domestic production. Challenges highlighted: labor-intensive sectors. Dedicated packages requested for sectors like agriculture, fisheries, plantations, and beedi making, which require significant labor but lack robust policy support. Trade concerns. Addressing India's trade dependency on China by supporting local manufacturers and imposing necessary trade barriers. Will the budget meet expectations? The demand for raising the tax-free income threshold to 10 lakh rupees has sparked significant debate. While this move could ease the burden on the middle class, it also raises questions about its feasibility given fiscal constraints. Similarly, doubling the Manrega workdays could provide relief to rural areas but would require increased government expenditure. The proposals of GST reforms, including faster refunds and exemptions for small businesses and farmers, reflect a push for greater efficiency and fairness in the tax system. Meanwhile, the call for a robust manufacturing strategy signals the need for policies that prioritize self-reliance.
For more updates, subscribe to our YouTube channel TSW News. News that reveal the truth.